Phew! Oh, I am so glad I bought this cuckoo clock. I know. Let's drive all the way home.
20 minutes of driving later.
Oh, I am so glad I bought this. Oh, I am so glad I bought this cuckoo clock. Oh, I wish I had bought the large one. Oh, would you look at that? We're at our driveway already. Oh, whoa. Maybe we should pull over and see what's going on. That's peculiar. Good thing we also bought those 4 spare tires, eh? Yeah. I know we bought them 'cause I'm Irish. Yet again, I'm half Canadian. Oh, Clifford. Oh, Clifford!
Yeah? Oh, pumpkin! Oh, pumpkin! Blizzard! Look what Snowball and Arnold did to the backyard!
Just a second, Clifford. We're just carrying this cuckoo clock into our apartment complex.
They used the snow cone machine to build winter. It's a combination of winter and fall. They call it Walter.
That would be warmer, right?
What the? Wow, that was such a cool sound. Let's see if it'll do it again.
We have to wind it up first. Now wait. Wait for it.
1 hour later.